Welcome to our guide on withdrawing money from your demo account in Expert Option. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step. First, let's understand the purpose of a demo account. It's designed for practice, allowing you to test trades without risk. It's crucial to know that demo accounts use virtual funds, while real accounts involve actual money. Now, let's navigate to the withdrawal section. Log into your account and go to the Funds area. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the options provided. Popular methods include bank transfers and e-wallets. To initiate a withdrawal, follow the prompts and enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your demo account. After submitting your request, there will be a verification process to ensure everything is correct. Typically, withdrawals are processed within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your method. If you encounter issues, check for common problems such as incorrect account details and ensure your account is verified. Congratulations! Now that you know how to withdraw, it's time to experience real trading. You've got this!